This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for October 24th, 2017. Corn market up 1.5 today. Bean market down 5 1/4. Wheat market Chicago up 1 1/4. Minneapolis up 4 3/4. Kansas City up 1/2 cent. When you look to the grain tones today, you're obviously seeing the bean market get down to that 200-day moving average once again. The bean market a little weaker here at the near term. Funds are rather long, as we talked yesterday. On the corn side of things, managed money rather short. So we're seeing some of that evening up here. We'll see just how much carry through we've got. We're a little concerned, as good as the corn yields are coming in, that the corn yield might have one more test, if not breakdown of this low, and ultimately look for the low to occur somewhere between 334 up to this 345 area, where we've already tested about 4 different times already. But I don't think we're out of the woods yet. Resistance will be between 355 and 360 from our vantage point in corn, and I think the area producers are going to want to zone in on if they've got to be doing some things here at harvest. Otherwise, just kind of a sit back approach, rolling out hedge to arrive contracts we feel are appropriate with the big carries, trying to lock in some deferred basis levels, and then we think eventually some futures opportunity and rallies will occur. Just don't think it's right now here under the current. When you look to the feeder cattle market, up 150 in the feeders to up $4 off the January contract. Live cattle up 210 to 295. Hog market up 40 to 70. And the cattle market had a big day. Really just started yesterday after some hard down action early in the morning. Yesterday we came back and finished near unchanged. Today we exploded to the top side, and we'll see just what we can do here. We're up against the contract highs in the second price count for feeder cattle now, and even live cattle starting to work up towards those highs. It's tough to envision under the circumstances unless we've got some really good demand or really good exports to really get this thing accelerating to those third price count levels. But right now, posed to at least achieve the second price count, which we did today, and really the next one in feeder cattle is 163. We feel that might be a little lofty, but can't count anything out until we see some further trade action. But as we approach these tops, some marketing should be warranted in our opinion. The hog market just kind of treading water here in the near term. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.